So I just finished putting this push mower together. It was really just pretty easy. It took me about a half hour. The only problem I had was getting this part, the handle, into these little posts because they go right here. But I did it, and also this little E-ring was a little tough to get on, if you could see that. But I took the end of my screwdriver and hit it a few times and it popped right in. So I haven't used it yet, but let's see what it does. So a lot of my grass is short, but then there are patches where it's long. Got my phone. So I decided to start cutting my lawn, got rid of my landscaper, and I just didn't want to use a gas mower. So here's a patch, pretty long. It's a little difficult pushing with a phone in my hand, but it's working. Oh, I'm loving this. It's a little tough to push. Basically, I'm using one hand, but I think if I just use two hands, it'll be much easier. Go over here. This grass is all short. And this I think it's just all. So let's see how this works. I can go down a little further. Let's see how that works. Almost had it. Okay. This will be shorter. So I would give it 5 stars. Like I said, it'd be a little easier for me to use if I had 2 hands pushing it. Bye.